Hello, good evening, guys. I hope each and everyone is doing very good. Please, if you want a place to earn money massively from, there's no place to go than rental car web, rental car web, rental car web, rental car web. Yeah, so I've accumulated 108 Ghana cedis in my balance right now. I've rented the first car and the second car. Now I want to move to the third car. So from here we can see that we have the prices of the car over here. So I want to move to the 1,200 Ghana cedis car. Yeah. So before I can move on, I have to recharge. So I'll have to click on recharge by going to where the recharge is. So we click on the recharge. So since I have 180 in my balance and I want to move to the 1,200 Ghana cedis car, I just need amount of 1,092 Ghana cedis. So I just put in 1,092 Ghana cedis over here, and I proceed by clicking on sure. So you come here, you have to copy this particular number, and the name that will come when you are sending the money is Emmanuel Abubakari Bill. So maybe it will change when you are going to make your deposit. So don't worry about that. So I'll just copy the number over there, and I want to deposit through MTN. That's why. So we have USDT as well, and also you can deposit through Vodafone Cash. So as soon as you copy the number, you just go straight to where you are going to send your money. So I'll just go to the home and proceed over there. So you click or you dial *170# and you move on by sending the money. So I'll be sending 1,092 Ghana cedis, like I said. So you move on by putting the number. Okay. So you have to make sure that you put in everything as it is. So 1,092 Ghana cedis. Okay, then you proceed. So you can use your registered number as your reference. You can use that one as your reference. So then you proceed by typing in your code. So I'm done with that. I've made the payment. So what you have to do after that is that you have to go and screenshot your payment SMS. So you just have to go to your message and then you pick the message over there. So 1,092 Ghana cedis, you make a screenshot and you just move on to the platform and you confirm. You put in your username, that's the number you use to send the money, or you can use your registered account number as well. So when you make the payment as it is, it will reflect automatically there for you. So that's what I'm doing. I've uploaded the screenshot over there. So what I have to do next is to submit it. You submit. So that's all. Just a few minutes. It has to reflect in my balance. So just a few minutes. You have to refresh the site a bit. So let's go and check. So within a few minutes, it will reflect. So that's how you can make your deposits. Within a few minutes, it will reflect over here. So that's how to make your deposit. So after that, as we are waiting, as soon as the money reflects, it will add up and I'll get 1,200 Ghana cedis, like I said. So from there, you just have to move on to the rental car below there, the icon below there. You go there and you just have to go and click on the invest over there. Just have to go and click on the invest over there, and that's all. You have purchased it. So every day or after every 24 hours, you go to interest. You see extract over there. So the extract is faint now. So after every 24 hours, it will become deep yellow. Then you click on extract to receive your income. So that's how it is. That's how it is. Have you seen now that the money has reflected right now? So let me go and proceed for you to see. So let me go and do it. So you go to the rental car, you click on the invest, and then you click on the buy. Click on the buy. So have you seen it as